Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to meet new people? Today I'm going to show you how to download the Happn dating app on your smartphone. Happn is a unique real-life dating app where you can meet and date people you cross paths with in your everyday life. So let's dive right in. Firstly, if you're using iPhone, open the App Store or open the Google Play Store if you're using Android. Once you're in the store, you will see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and then type Happn Dating App. You will see the Happn Dating App appear in the search results. Look for the official app with this logo and tap Install to begin the downloading process. Once it is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. You will see the Open button. Tap on it to directly launch the app. However, you need to connect your Google or Facebook account to sign in into the app. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded the Happn dating app on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.